Okay, we've got another problem here. This is the limit. As x goes to minus 2, of x to the third plus 8 over x plus 2. So we can factor the numerator to be x plus 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 4. So that would be then over our x plus 2, and you can see that those are going to cancel out. So we're just left with this piece here. So we no longer have the problem of the 0 in the denominator. So this just becomes the limit as x goes to minus 2 of x squared minus 2x plus 4. And we're going to plug in our numbers, and we get 4 minus, plus 4 plus 4. And so 12 is our limit here.